I've spent more than 25 years working across professional services, transport, environment, construction, and membership organisations. And regardless of whether they're in business to business, business to consumer, government, not-for-profit, or professional services, I keep hearing the same challenge. It's never been easier to create content, but it's never been harder to get attention.
So, just a quick question, show of hands, How many of you have used Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity in the last 7 hours? Wow, in the last 7 minutes? There are people, awesome. And how many of you just said right answer?
I really like when they talked about AI. I like what Bridget, what he mentioned about AI and all the content creation and now how things are changing so quickly. And I really enjoyed the panel about that as well. Very empowered and motivated. I think it's a great event. A lot of people from different industries. I think it's always great to come and learn from the panels and the speakers and the peers in general.
My personal highlight for today, I'm really excited with where AI is going, and I think we're all collectively working together to figure out what AI can touch and what it can't touch, and hearing the range of different perspectives and also understanding no one's got it figured out is very comforting for me. I also am very, very taken with brand reputation and how to measure that, and knowing that that is something that companies are also thinking very much about, and marketing is just one piece of that puzzle.
It's really good to get those sort of authentic conversations and those connections. I've had some really, really great conversations with the other people who've been here today, with some of the panelists, speakers, and also just attendees. I think that that's really, really valuable for anyone to take away back to what they're doing in their business, what they're doing in their marketing journey. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it.
I would recommend Intrigue to anyone in the marketing industry who's looking for new ideas and insights on how to be a better marketer.